Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is called English at the Hotel. In this episode, Ellie and Ken arrive at their hotel after a long flight. You'll hear them check in at the front desk, relax in their room, have dinner at the hotel restaurant, and enjoy breakfast the next morning. This story is full of useful phrases for traveling, from check-in to check-out. I'll speak slowly and clearly, so please listen carefully and try to follow along. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, this hotel looks so nice. The lobby is huge.
Yeah, it's bigger than I expected. The lights are beautiful, too.
I love the smell here. It's so clean and fresh.
Definitely. Let's check in. The front desk is over there. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Hill Hotel. How can I help you? Hi, we have a reservation. It's under the name Ken Tanaka. Let me check. Yes, Mr. Tanaka. 2 nights, 1 double room. Is that correct? Yes, that's right. May I see your passport, please? Sure. Here you are. Thank you. And Miss Ellie, will you need a key card as well? Yes, please. That would be great.
All right. Your room is number 608 on the 6th floor. Checkout time is 11 a.m. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 on the 2nd floor.
Got it.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. Here are your key cards. The elevator is on your left. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
The staff are so nice here.
Yeah, very polite. I like that.
I'm so tired from the flight, though. I can't wait to lie down.
Me too. Let's go up and rest a bit before dinner.
6th floor, room 608. That's easy to remember.
Yeah. I hope the view is good from our room.
I think so. This hotel is pretty tall.
I just hope the bed is comfortable. My back hurts from the plane seat.
Same here. Airplane seats are always too small.
Here we are, 6th floor.
Let's see. Room 608 should be this way. Wow, it's so quiet here.
Yeah, I like that. The carpet makes it silent.
Okay, here's 608. Let's go in. Oh, wow. This room is amazing.
Yeah, it's bigger than I thought. Look at that view.
The city lights look beautiful from here.
And the bed looks really comfortable. So, what do you want to do now?
Maybe take a shower first? I feel a bit sticky from traveling.
Good idea. Go ahead. I'll just lie down for a bit.
Don't fall asleep, okay?
I'll try, but no promises. This bed is perfect. So soft.
Your turn. The shower feels amazing.
All right, I'll go now.
Let's see what's on TV. Ooh, they have English channels.
Nice. Maybe we can watch a movie later.
Yeah, or maybe order room service and watch something.
That sounds great. That was refreshing. I feel like a new person.
You look more awake now.
I was half asleep before. So, should we rest a little and then go out for dinner?
Yeah, but not too far. I'm still tired.
Same. Maybe the hotel restaurant?
Perfect. I saw the menu near the lobby. It looked good.
All right. Dinner plan decided. Let's relax a bit before we go.
Oh, the city looks even prettier at sunset.
Yeah. I love that orange light on the buildings.
It feels peaceful here.
It does. I'm really glad we chose this place.
Me too.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No, not yet. Is there a table for two?
Of course. Right this way, please.
Wow, it's so pretty here. Look at the lights outside.
Yeah, it's got a great view. Perfect spot.
What should I get? Everything looks delicious.
I know, right? I can't decide either.
Oh, they have pasta and steak.
I think I'll get the grilled chicken. It looks good.
Nice choice. I might try the pasta with shrimp.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we'll have the grilled chicken and the shrimp pasta, please.
Great. Would you like anything to drink?
Just water for both of us, please.
Sure. No problem.
It feels so nice to just sit down and relax.
Yeah, after that long trip, I feel like I could eat everything on the menu.
Same. And the music here is perfect. Not too loud, not too quiet.
It's like they want people to actually talk.
Exactly. Some restaurants are so noisy you can't hear anything.
Here you go. 1 grilled chicken and 1 shrimp pasta. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This chicken is really good. So juicy.
The pasta's perfect too. The sauce is so creamy.
I love hotel food. It's always a little fancy.
Yeah, even simple dishes feel special here.
So, what do you want to do tomorrow?
Maybe go sightseeing. There's a park nearby, right?
Yeah, and a shopping street too.
Perfect. We can take it easy in the morning, then go out after breakfast.
Sounds like a plan.
I'm so full. I can't eat dessert.
I could, but I shouldn't.
Let's just get coffee.
Good idea.
This is really relaxing. I needed this.
Same here. Just good food, quiet place, no rush.
Vacation mode on.
Absolutely.
That dinner was perfect.
Yeah, I'm so sleepy now.
Me too. I think I'll change into my pajamas.
Good idea. I'll make some tea.
Oh, it smells nice. What kind is it?
Green tea. They had a few packets near the coffee maker.
Perfect for the night. The city lights are still so bright.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It feels peaceful.
I could watch this view all night.
Same. But if we do, we'll oversleep tomorrow.
True. I'll just look a little longer.
Do you travel often?
Not really. Maybe once a year. What about you?
A few times. Mostly for work, though.
Oh, work trips are never relaxing.
Exactly. That's why this one feels special.
Yeah, I'm really glad we came.
Okay, time for bed?
Yeah. Good night, Ken.
Good night, Ellie. Sweet dreams.
Morning already? That was a great sleep.
Yeah, I don't remember falling asleep. The bed was amazing.
Same. Oh, and breakfast time. I'm starving.
Let's get ready and go downstairs.
Wow, look at all that food. There's eggs, toast, fruit, everything.
And pancakes, too. I love pancakes.
Me too. Let's get some.
This orange juice is so fresh.
Yeah, it tastes real, not from a carton.
I think I could stay here forever just for the breakfast.
Yeah, but we have to check out soon.
Don't remind me.
So, after checkout, maybe we can leave our bags here for a few hours?
Yeah, the front desk can keep them. Then we can walk around before heading to the station.
Perfect. I want to visit that souvenir shop we passed yesterday.
Sure, maybe grab coffee after that.
Always. You know me.
Yes, I do.
Good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, room 608.
All right. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes.
Everything was wonderful. I'm glad to hear that. Here's your receipt. Would you like to leave your luggage for a while?
Yes, please.
We'll come back this afternoon. No problem. We'll keep it safe for you.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your day.
I'm a little sad to leave.
Me too. It felt so comfortable here.
Yeah, but we can always come back next time.
Definitely. Next time, maybe we'll stay longer.
Good idea. 3 nights at least.
Deal.
So, where to first?
Coffee, obviously.
You know me too well. Let's go.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this hotel story and learned many useful English expressions for travel. Next time you stay at a hotel, try using some of the phrases you heard today. We'll keep making more slow and clear English conversations like this, so you can listen, shadow, and improve your English every day. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.